this video, we will be viewing about BIS Solution. BIS Solution is all-in-one product management software where you can manage the selling, purchasing, and accounting of your business. All types of business like supermarket, footwear, electronics, grocery store, clothing store, general store, etc. can be managed. There are three types of logins: admin login, branch manager login, and sales login. In admin login, you can access everything. In branch manager login, you can access accounting and inventory related data. In sales login, you can access billing related data. Now let's see the modules from admin login. In setting module, first you need to set up all the information related to the company. In profile, you can add and update your personal details. In change password, you will be able to change the password. In ledger group list, you need to create the ledgers. In ledger type, ledger groups flags can be added. In branch management module, all the branches can be added. If it is the main branch, then tick the main branch option. In employee management module, departments can be created. In employee, employees can be added department wise and branch wise along with designation. In attendance, branch wise and department wise attendance can be seen of all the employees. In accounting module, salary details of the employees can be viewed and their pay slips can be generated. In GST list, GST percentage can be added of different chapter and HSN code. You can also import the GST list. In product management module, the product's brands along with its code can be added. For example, in mobile phones, Apple can be added in brand name. In product type, brand's product type code, its type, and HSN code along with GST percentage can be added. In add product, you can add various types of products by selecting the brand name and its type and mention the product name. If you want to keep the MRP including the GST, click on the inclusive GST, otherwise the GST will be added in addition to the MRP. In unit of measurement, the product's UOM can be selected along with its short code. In inventory module, supplier's detail can be added. In purchase master, orders can be added by clicking on add orders and entering all the necessary details. Multiple products order can also be added by clicking on add more. Its entry can also be edited. In purchase tax report, all the reports of the entries done in PO can be viewed. In generate barcode, PO number and product wise barcode can be generated. And it can also be printed. In available stock, stock report can be viewed of all the products available. In billing module, discounts can be given on any product by selecting the products flat or on purchase basis. In billing, all the details can be viewed product wise with the product purchased. In sales report, the product purchase can be viewed and the invoice can be generated by clicking on print. The remaining bill can also be paid by clicking on pay amount. In sales return, any unsatisfactory product can be returned by mentioning the product details. In sales tax report, the products purchased by customer will be in credit and products returned will be mentioned in debit. In import data, the data can be imported in bulk by downloading its format and entering all the. In accounting module, expense details can be viewed. New expenses can be added by clicking on Add Expense. In balance sheet, all the expenses, purchases, and sales can be viewed on monthly and date wise. In ledger summary, branch wise summary can be viewed month and date wise. In MIS report, overall records can be viewed of all the branches. In bank statement, you can compare the transactions with the actual bank statement. If you have any questions, queries, or suggestions, you can click on Help and Support. Thank you so much for watching our video.